Now we move to the next question, which is question number 7. In the diagram on the right, the straight line 3y equals to 4x minus 13 intersect the curve 2y squared equals to x minus 2 at point K. Find A, the coordinates of the point K. K is intersection point, so to solve it, we can use simultaneous equation. So start from the linear, one is 3y equals to 4x minus 13. Okay, I would like to make x as subject. So x equals to 3y plus 13 over 4. Okay, equation number 1. Okay, so 2y squared equals to x minus 2. Question number 2. So we substitute 1 into 2. So 1 into 2. So 2y squared is 3y plus 13 over 4 minus 2. So all times 4. So 8y squared is 3y plus 13 minus 8. So we simplify 8y squared minus 3y minus 5 equals to 0. Okay, this is quadratic equation. So to solve quadratic equation, we can factorize. Okay, so this one looks like we can factorize 8y, y plus 5 minus 1. So y is negative 5 over 8 and y is 1. Okay, but from the diagram, okay, the position of point K is at the right of y-axis, meaning that we choose y positive. Okay, so we choose y equals to 1 over 2. We substitute into equation 1. Okay, so x equals to 3 times 1 plus 13 over 4. Okay, which is equals to 4. So therefore K is 4, 1. B, find the area of the shaded region. Okay, so to find area of shaded region, we can use area under the graph with respect to y. Okay, so right here. So meaning that we can use formula of area of shaded region. Okay, we can use formula area with respect to AB x dy. Okay, so meaning that A and B are values of y. Okay, so just now K is 4, 1. Okay, so we just substitute the lower and upper limit. Okay, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. X as subject. Okay, so from the equation, we make x subject. So x equals to 2y squared plus 2. So x is 2y squared plus 2 dy. Okay, so we integrate. So here we got 2y cubed over 3 plus 2y. So 0, 1. Okay, so then substitute upper limit. So 2 over 3, 1 cube plus 2 times 1 minus lower limit 2 over 3, 0 cube plus 2 times 0. Okay, so this one will be 8 over 3 unit squared. Number 8, the diagram on the right shows a consumer demand curve dx equals to x minus 4 squared and a producer supply curve Sx equals to 3x squared plus 2x plus 4. The region M represent the consumer surplus and the region N represent the producer surplus. The point P is known as an equilibrium point between the consumer demand and the producer supply. Find the equilibrium point P. Okay, so point P is intersection point. To find point P, we can use simultaneous equation. Okay, so here we have two equation 1 and equation 2. So 2 equals to 1. Okay, so 3x squared plus 2x plus 4 equals 2x minus 4 squared. So we simplify first. This one we expand x squared minus 8x plus 16. Okay, so 3x squared plus 2x plus 4 minus x squared plus 8x minus 16 equals to 0. So then we can simplify 2x squared plus 10x minus 12 equals to 0. Okay, looks like we can simplify first. So 2x squared plus 5x minus 6 equals to 0. Okay, this is quadratic equation. To solve quadratic equation, we can factorize. So 2 x minus 1 plus 6. Okay, so then x equals to 1, x equals to negative 6. Okay, so the position of point P at the right of y-axis, meaning that x, we choose x positive. Okay, so we choose x equals to 1. Okay, when x equals to 1, we substitute into any point. I would like to substitute into equation 1. So into 1, so y equals to okay, 1 minus 4 squared. Okay, so become 9. Okay, so therefore point P is 1, 9. B, find the consumer surplus at the equilibrium point P. Okay, just now region M is consumer surplus. We are going to find area of M. Okay, so to find area of M, so area M is all this area. Okay, all this one. Okay, minus the rectangle. Okay, so just now point P is 1, 9. Okay, so this one 1, this one 9. Okay, so area under the graph, this one we choose formula area A, B, Y, D, X. Okay, so meaning that A and B are values of X. Okay, so this one, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. So Y dx. Okay, Y this one, we choose the curve, the pink curve. Okay, which is x minus 4 squared. Okay, so x minus 4 squared. Okay, dx minus area of rectangle is 9 times 1. Okay, so this one we integrate x minus 4 cube over 3 times differentiate x minus 4 is 1. So 0, 1 minus 9. Okay, so then the rest you just simplify. We substitute upper limit minus substitute lower limit. So 1 minus 4 cube over 3. Okay, minus 0 minus 4 cube over 3. Okay, so minus 9. Okay, this one is negative 27 over 3 minus negative 64 over 3. Okay, minus 9. So the final answer, you will get 10 over 3 unit squared. 8C, find the producer surplus at the equilibrium point P. Okay, so from the question, region N represent the producer surplus. Okay, so now we are going to find the area of region N. So area N. Okay, so to find area N, actually the shape of rectangle. Okay, rectangle. Okay, minus area under the graph. Okay, so area under the graph. Okay, so just now point P is 1, 9. Okay, so area of rectangle is 1 times 9. Okay, for area under the graph, we choose formula area AB y dx. Okay, A and B are values of x. So, meaning that, so we just substitute into the formula. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. Okay, why we choose curve for curve, blue curve. Okay, the equation is 3x squared plus 2x plus 4. Okay, we integrate with respect to x to get area. So this one, 9 minus, we integrate 3x cubed over 3 plus 2x squared over 2 plus 4x. Okay, so lower and upper limit is 0, 1. Okay, so then the rest we just substitute. Okay, upper limit, this one we can simplify first. Okay, upper limit is 1 cube plus 1 squared plus 4 times 1. Okay, minus lower limit, 0 cube plus 0 squared plus 4 times 0. Okay, so 1169 minus 6 is 3 unit squared. Question number 9. The diagram on the right shows a part of a curve for x equals to 4 minus y squared that intersect the straight line 3y equals to 18 plus 2x. Okay, so we have here 3y equals to 18 plus 2x at point P. Find the coordinate of the point P. Okay, point P is intersection point. Again, to solve, to find intersection point, we can solve by using simultaneous equation. Okay, so here equation 1. So this one I choose x as subject. So 3y minus 18 over 2 equals to x. So 2 into 1. So 4 times 3y minus 18 over 2 equals to 4 minus y squared. Okay, so this one we simplify. 6y minus 36 equals to 4 minus y squared. Okay, so therefore y squared minus plus 6y minus 40 equals to 0. Okay, so this is quadratic equation. So to solve, we can factorize. Okay, so this one y plus 10 minus 4. So y is negative 10, y is 4. Okay, so from the diagram, P is at the left of y-axis, meaning that we choose at the top of x-axis, meaning that y positive. Okay, so y positive, we choose y equals to 4. Okay, into equation 2. Okay, so then x equals to 3 times 4 minus 18 over 2. Okay, equals to negative 3. So therefore point P is negative 3, 4. 9b, calculate the area of the shaded region A. Okay, so to find shaded region A, here I got the big graph. Okay, so previously from 9a we got point P. Okay, negative 3, 4. Okay, so to find area A, okay, we can use area under the curve with respect to x or with respect to y. Okay, so I prefer find area under the graph with respect to y. Okay, so here I got the triangle. Okay, this triangle. Okay, plus this one, area under the graph. Okay, so plus area under the graph. Okay, so this one we use formula area equals to AB x dy. Okay, so before we find area, we need to find the limit. Okay, this one, the limit, and this limit. Okay, so this one, to find the limit, y intercept, x equals to 0. Okay, so 3y equals to 18 plus 2 times 0. So y equals to 6. Okay, y equals to 6. Okay, same for this one. For the curve, the pink curve, to find y-intercept, x equals to 0. So 4, 0 equals to 4 minus y squared. So y squared is 4, y equals to plus minus 2. So this one, y positive, so y equals to 2. Okay, so now we already have the limits. So we can find the area. Okay, so for this triangle, okay, this one 3. Okay, the height is 2. So area of triangle 1 over 2 base times height. So 3 times 2. Okay, plus area under the graph. Okay, lower limit is just now 2. Okay, just now 2. So lower limit is 2. Upper limit is 4. X dy. So we need to make x as subject. So x equals to 4 minus y squared over 4. Okay, so this one 4 minus y squared over 4 dy. Okay, so then we solve. Area of triangle is 3 plus 1 over 4. I can move out. So then I integrate, become 4y minus y cubed over 3. So 2, 4. Okay, so then 3 plus 1 over 4. Okay, this one 4 times 4 minus 4 cube over 3 minus 4 times 2 minus 2 cube over 3. Okay, so now we can see the position of the red shaded region is at the left of y-axis. So meaning that we can predict the value is negative, so we can make it positive. Okay, we just put modulus. Okay, so this one you will get this one 3 plus negative 8 over 3. Okay, so that one you make it positive. So 3 plus 8 over 3 is 17 over 3 unit squared. Next, find the generated volume in terms of pi when the shaded region B is rotated through 360 degree about the x-axis. Okay, so since of volume rotated about 360 degree x-axis, so the formula, we choose formula V equals to pi AB dx. So this one y squared. Okay, so therefore we need to make y squared as subject. So y squared equals to 4 minus 4x. Okay, so this one dx, so a and b are values of x. So from question 9a, the limits here is negative 3, 0. Okay, so this one 4. Okay, so we need to use the value of x. Okay, a and b values of x. So we substitute. Lower limit is negative 3, upper is 0, y squared is 4 minus 4x dx. Okay, so we integrate, so 4x minus 4x squared over 2, negative 3, 0. So this one we can simplify. So substitute 0, so 4 times 0 minus 2 times 0 squared. Minus substitute negative 3. Okay, minus 2 negative 3 squared. Okay, this one we solve. Okay, so this one become pi 0 is 0 minus negative 30. Okay, so the final answer will be 30 pi unit cube.